Hi, Albert Grande here. I want to tell you about an amazing way you can get video courses for free until April 16th, 2020. No credit card required, and all you need to do is enter your email address. Simple, easy, and free. These are courses in cooking, baking, photography, crafting courses, and much more. There's no credit card required, and all you need to do is enter your email address. These are not video intro courses, but rather full-blown courses that regularly cost up to $40, and you can take as many courses as you like. Let me give you some examples. Some of these courses are ones I have paid for, but you won't pay anything. Artisan Breadmaking with Peter Reinhart, 25 essential baking techniques, photography classes, quilting, scrapbooking, and many more. There are over 1,400 classes in all. Here's what you need to do. Go to the site, click the Get Started for free, enter your email address, create a password, and you're in. I'll provide a link below this video. Full disclosure, this is an affiliate offer and I will be compensated if you sign up. Remember, no credit card required. All you need to do is enter your email address to get started. You need to hurry though, because this offer ends. Just click the link at the bottom of this video and you're ready to go. What are you waiting for? Click the link right now.